Have you ever noticed how your mood changes around certain type of people? Or there is a group of people with whom success just sticks around. No matter वो कैसा भी आइडिया उठा लें, वो हमेशा उस आइडिया के साथ सक्सेसफुल होते हैं, जबकि वही आइडिया बाकी लोगों को वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम लगता है। आपने अक्सर देखा होगा आपके सिटी और टाउन के अराउंड देयर विल बी अ स्कूल जहाँ पे बच्चे हमेशा टॉप आते हैं, चाहे वो एकेडमिक्स हो, चाहे वो गेम्स हो, चाहे वो आर्ट्स हो, everywhere, where other schools just lag behind. They kind of contain that charisma around them, that whomever they talk to or whoever talks to them, they align their thoughts with such people. Turns out it actually has something to do with very, very fundamental law of nature, synchronization. Have you ever noticed the clapping pattern of the stadium, or the movement pattern of people in the streets, or constant blinking of the fireflies at night in sync? मेट्रोनोम्स के साथ एक किए गए एक्सपेरिमेंट में ये पाया गया कि एडजस्टेबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक सेटअप मेट्रोनोम्स का अगर आप रख देते हो एंड उनको डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसीज में सेट करके आप रखते हो तो कुछ टिक्स के बाद दे सिंक विद ईच अदर। नो मैटर आप किस तरह का फ्रीक्वेंसी में रखते हो, ऑल ऑफ देम सिंक आफ्टर फ्यू टिक्स एंड दैट्स नॉट रैंडम, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंक्रोनाइजेशन। एंड ये यूनिवर्स का एक बहुत ही फंडामेंटल लॉ है जो कि सभी चीजों के ऊपर एप्लीकेबल होता है। And we, being part of universe, are no exception. So today we'll deep dive into the idea of synchronization and we will understand कि किस तरह से ये fundamental force आपके करियर को, आपके फोकस को, आपके प्रोडक्टिविटी को completely transform कर सकता है। So stick around to the end of the video. This may be the secret hack to crack that competitive examination or snatch that job opportunity that you are aspiring for. Synchronization सिर्फ मशीनों या मैटर पे एप्लीकेबल नहीं होता है। Humans synchronize too. From the way we walk and speak, to the way we breathe in the yoga class, to the way we study together in silence, our brain is constantly syncing with those around us. Scientific reports के 2012 के एक स्टडी में पाया गया है कि जब लोग एक शेयर्ड टास्क को परफॉर्म करते हैं तो उनके ब्रेन्स सिंक्रोनाइज हो जाते हैं, स्पेशली इन एरियाज ऑफ फोकस एंड मेमोरी, एंड इसके चलते वो कंबाइंड ज़्यादा एफर्ट डाल पाते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू दैट अगर वो इंडिविजुअली एफर्ट डालें। एंड इतना ही नहीं, आपके इमोशंस एंड मोटिवेशंस भी सिंक्रोनाइज होते हैं। योर ब्रेन कैन लिटरली मिरर द माइंडसेट ऑफ दोज अराउंड यू, एंड इसीलिए बोला जाता है यू आर एवरेज ऑफ 5 पीपल यू आर मोस्ट अराउंड विद, सो चूज योर कंपनी वाइजली। 2018 के नेचर कम्युनिकेशंस की एक स्टडी में पाया गया कि जो स्टूडेंट्स साथ में मैथ्स के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं उनके ब्रेन्स साथ में सिंक्रोनाइज होते हैं, स्पेशली प्री फ्रंटल कोर्टेक्स पे, जो कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल एरिया होता है फॉर अटेंशन, प्लानिंग एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप एक ग्रुप में पढ़ाई करते हो तो यू विल सिंक अप मेंटली एंड यू विल इंक्रीज योर प्रोडक्टिविटी, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड फोकस टुगेदर। सिमिलरली यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पार्मा के एक स्टडी में पाया गया कि आपके ब्रेन में मिरर न्यूरॉन्स होते हैं जो फायर अप होते हैं जब आप दूसरे को कोई एक्टिविटी करते हुए देखते हो, जैसे कि yawning, laughing, crying and taking stress. All of these are contagious. Try out yawning 3 times in front of your friend without letting him know that you are intentionally doing it, and I bet you your friend will also yawn with you the 4th time. And that's why I keep telling you guys that you should create study groups with people whose goal align with your goal. If your study circle is distracted, demotivated and lazy, you will feel the same. Similarly, if your study circle is focused and productive, your productivity and focus will also increase. Okay, studies की तो हमने बहुत बातें कर ली. Now let us understand कि हम synchronization को अपने daily schedule में कैसे incorporate कर सकते हैं. Step number 1 would be to form a focused study circle. Find 2 to 3 people जिनके गोल आपके गोल के साथ align करते हैं, जो equally serious हो आपके जैसे. And you guys should meet regularly, not to chat, but just to study. Synchronization happens just by being at the same space, focused. If you guys are spaced far away, then you can meet over Zoom or any other video conferencing app. No talking, just cameras on, timers on, that's it. Step number 2 is to use body synchronization to trick your brain. Behavioral and brain science के study में पाया गया कि sitting in upright posture or mimicking someone who is focused, say in libraries, just doing that will increase your focus and attention by considerable margins. And that's why I always advise people to go to libraries and sit in the company of people who are always studying. So sit like a topper, study like a topper, and your brain will follow. Remember, fake it till you make it. Step number 3 would be to consume content of successful people. In this digital age, avoiding social media is really impossible. And I always say if you cannot completely avoid social media, at least replace it with good things. So if you are in social media, instead of scrolling Instagram for 30 minutes, replace that scrolling with 30 minutes of interview of a topper. I am someone who has succeeded in multiple examinations, be it government examinations, be it MBA, be it any other examinations, and I am someone who keeps on endeavoring new challenges to upskill myself. So if you're someone who also wants to become an IAS officer or any other successful person or wants general enhancement in productivity in their life, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button to follow more of my content. So just like positive thinking, there is negative thinking as well. So जहाँ एक तरफ productive thinking आपके goals को आपके नजदीक लाता है, negative thinking आपको उतना ही ज्यादा ड्रैग करता है. So if you are in company of someone who always complains about how tough the examination is or how so many distractions are there in your life or keeps on saying कि एग्जाम के लिए सिलेबस इतना वास्ट है, कैसे हो पाएगा, या ये सारी चीजें तो बड़े कॉलेजेस के लिए है, हम छोटे कॉलेज वालों के लिए ये सारी चीजें नहीं है. It's high time you need to reconsider your company. Oh, by the way, do you know that music can also synchronize your brain waves? Lofi beats, alpha wave music or even white noise can help your brain lock into a flow state, जो कि आपके long study duration के लिए बहुत ही ideal होता है. So in case you are feeling lost or distracted, listen to some music which is relaxing, which is calming, or which has a regular flow, and your brain will sync with it. So let us summarize synchronization, and here is what you should do starting today. Number 1, create or join a study group with serious peers. Number 2, spend time in libraries or focused environments. Number 3, follow disciplined creators or toppers over social media. Number 4, avoid negative thinking with demotivated people. And number 5, use study, music or Lofi boost personal sync. Remember, synchronization is not just about people syncing with you. It's about you choosing who to sync with. When you surround yourself with people on fire, it's really difficult to stay cold. At the end, I would just like to say that your environment is not neutral. It is shaping your thoughts, your actions, and your brain waves. So choose wisely, sync wisely, and study smart. If you liked the video thus far, please hit that like button, comment sync on if you want to level up, share this with your study buddy, and subscribe to this channel for more such content. See you in the next video, guys. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye.